So for the longest time, I could not make a decision for the life of me as to which of these door organizers I wanted to go with when I purchased my safe. So with that being said, I had been looking and looking, but I never could pull the trigger. My wife decided this year she was going to surprise me and go ahead and get one of these picked out and ordered up for me for Christmas. And I did go ahead and get this thing put in the safe. I'll tell you what, she did a pretty good job of making this selection. So let me take a second to go over what it was that was kind of the holdup for me and what I was having a hard time making a decision on. And then we kind of take a look at this one to see if this might fit your needs or not as well. So what the biggest holdup for me when I was trying to make a decision on this was how this thing was actually going to mount to the door. I didn't want to put screws through the backer board on this, and I also didn't want to rely on just Velcro alone. What's really nice about this particular setup is the fact that it does have these 3 clips at the top that hold it in, and they simply just slide right in on the back side of the board where it meets the safe. You've got 3 clips up here at the top, as well as 2 clips down the door on each side. Now this is able to fit a safe that's got up to a 23-inch wide door or as narrow as an 18.5-inch door. My particular door is just under 22 inches wide. The other thing too is my particular safe has a 1/4-inch backer board on it, but if you've got a safe that's got a 3/4-inch and a little bit wider board, it does come with a whole separate set of clips that you can swap these out with. That way if you got the bigger backer board, it can accommodate that as well with these other clips. Just clip in off the top rod here, and then on the sides here, you've got these Velcro straps with these buckles here, and you just basically pull those tight to get it locked in place. And as you can see, it sits pretty well in the safe, and that was something else that was kind of bothering me as well, was I wasn't sure how well this thing was going to sit flat, or if it was going to kind of bow off the safe door at all once you started putting weight on it. Now I don't have this thing fully loaded yet, but I did go ahead and start putting a few of the things I own in the door here to try to get it organized. As you can see, I've got 5 different pouches that this came with for different handguns. It does have this setup here that you have put up to 3 magazines in, as well as 2 larger ones here for like your AR style clips. And then below here, you have these 2 pouches here. Now everything from here down is fixed. Everything from up here on these 3 rows have Velcro, so you can kind of move those around and get them how you want them. But you have these 2 bags here. You can put whatever accessory you might have. I've got some more magazines in this pouch here for now. And then you've got 2 of these mesh pockets here as well that you can load up, as well as these 2 smaller ones down here at the bottom. And then you get this document folder here. Something to keep in mind that I didn't even think about when I was looking at these was how much space I was going to have when I shut the door when it meets the shelf. Now I took a little finagling and moving things around trying to get the right configuration, because at first I was having problems with handguns and magazines hitting shelves. I've got just under 4 inches of clearance here from the shelf to the inside lip here of the actual safe wall. So obviously when you shut the safe door, it goes in quite a bit further. Now the way I've got this set up now, nothing actually hits. I can shut this safe door all the way. Now this is a Pella safe. I'm not sure what safe you guys might be trying to run this in, but if your shelves don't come out near as far, you might not have this issue, but it's just something I came across, but I was able to make it work. But overall, I am extremely impressed with this door organizer. It's gonna serve my purposes just fine, and I've got a little bit of room to grow as well. And then not to mention, if you've got other accessories that Velcro to the wall like this, you can absolutely add on to this setup. Hopefully that was somewhat helpful for you as to whether this might be the right door organizers for you and your safe. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. We'll catch you guys on the next one.